Hi everyone, it's Vitasa. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing really good. In today's video, I will share with you my 6 favorite body mists. It's kind of a recommendation video, so if you're interested in that, please keep watching. I love smelling good. I mean, who doesn't? Because I think it's just the best compliment you can ever get. That and that you're funny. I mean, these two are my top two favorite compliments. Previously, when I wasn't into, perfumes and all, I always used to think in order to smell good and expensive, you have to spend like thousands of bucks and burn your pocket to get bougie perfumes. But then I found out about body mists, which are so affordable and they come in so many fragrances. They just smell as great as any EDP or ATT. You can use them right after shower and come out smelling like a bouquet of flowers, and also reapply throughout the day. You don't have to worry about like wasting it or anything because it's very affordable and usually come in like good quantities. Out of my 6 favorite perfumes, 3 are from Plum Body Lovin' because they have the best and most unique fragrances out there. They have something for everyone, for every mood, and the best part about them is that they are super affordable. They're priced at around 525, but with my exclusive discount code you can get them at around 446 that I will share with you in the end of the video. But those are the ones that really surprised me because they have a really good quantity and come in a really cute packaging. Their fragrances are all so fresh and can range from beachy, gardenia, floral, fruity, warm, cherry, you name it. Very unique combination of notes, and they are also long lasting. They last like 3+ hours or so. So my favorite from their range is Orchid You Not. I personally love a floral smell. Like I am a floral girl. In fact, all my EDT EDPs are floral, I think. And in body mist, I really love this one. So as the name says, it has orchid in it, but it also has notes of freesia. It's very feminine, but it's not overpowering, and it's very versatile. Like it smells like an evening perfume and also like a morning thing. Next, I love their Hawaiian Roomba. I absolutely adore this. I use this after shower every day. It has a very unique sweet fragrance. I think it's the most loved body mist from their range. It has sweet vanilla scent that reminds you of beaches and pina coladas. It is so fresh and sweet. You can always pair it with your favorite perfume and it just smells heavenly. It's a gardenia fragrance with a fruity cocktail mixture. This one though I will definitely recommend you to try. I in fact myself bought this after watching a YouTube video. Plum's third fragrance that I really love is their Everything Plum, which is their newest fragrance, and I don't know how to describe it. It's very unique. It's like customized to represent their brand, that is Plum. So obviously it has notes of plum and other fruits like blackberry, cherry and orange. So it's very citrusy like that. And it has heart notes of flowers like iris, jasmine, violet. But the twist is that the base notes are woody. That's amber, musk and patchouli. So you can only imagine how unique this fragrance is. Like a mixture of everything. Greatest thing about Plum the brand is that they are cruelty free and paraben sulfate free always. Just look at these packs. They are so cute. They are actually travel size. You can carry them anywhere. The fourth one is my oldest body mist, like my first body mist you can say. I got this from Muscat around 3 years ago and I have like used it all. It's called Victoria's Secret Temptation. I already told you I'm a floral girl totally, so this has to be floral. You know how smells create nostalgia? It really reminds me of 3 years ago, pre-pandemic times. It has notes of apple and saguaro flower, very unique blend of fruity and floral. I love it. Speaking of old purchases, this Pure Sense body mist is such a stunner. It was gifted to me by a brand I think last year, but I've used it so much. It has macadamia and coconut, which is not something that I use usually, but this has such a calming effect. So I use it, around the room on my pillow when I sleep. It has very meditating wala vibe. The last one is my newest purchase. It is from Bath and Body Works Champagne Toast. It is very strong. I did not expect it to be that strong. It's very fruity, like fruity. It has notes of champagne. I'm sorry, I don't know how champagne smells like, but it has notes of champagne. It also smells like berries and tangerine. So fruity, I told you, fruity, citrusy. Thoda sa bending towards citrusy side. It can be a little overwhelming because it's very strong, as I told you. So it may not be for everyone, but I personally really like it. So those were my top 6 fragrances. There's a link in my description if you're interested to purchase Plum Body Lovin' perfumes. You should definitely check out more in their range. My discount code is Vitasa15, so if you use this, you can get them at an amazing price of 446. That is so cute. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and comment down below what is your favorite body mist, and subscribe to my channel to keep up with a lot more videos. I will see you real soon. Take care. Bye.